Are you getting the Crunchyroll code MED 4005? Oops, something went wrong error? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to silicophilic.com, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Before we move forward, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. So let's dive right in. Method 1. Refresh the page. When you are getting Crunchyroll code MED 4005 error, first of all refresh the page. Just click on the refresh button from the top and then try to play the video you want to watch. You can also refresh the page using Ctrl plus F5 hotkeys. Method 2. Check your internet connection. If Crunchyroll is not working and showing errors, check your internet connection. Click on the internet icon on your desktop and click on your internet connection. Check if you are connected securely. You can check the internet speed by going to speedtest.net and clicking on the Go button. If the internet speed is slow, contact your service provider. Method 3. Clear cache. Restart the browser to clear the browser cache and resolve Crunchyroll issues. Next, go to the Crunchyroll website and see if the video loads. Wait for a few seconds. If the video still doesn't load, clear the browser cache. Here, we are showing the steps using the Chrome browser. Open Google Chrome and click on the three-dot menu. Click on More Tools, then Clearing Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time. Check all the boxes and click on the Clear Data button. Once done, go to the Crunchyroll website and check if the issue is resolved. Method 4. Log out and log in back. You can try logging out and then logging in back to your Crunchyroll account. This can sometimes fix the problem instantly. Click on your profile icon, click on Sign Out. Then log in again with your username and password. Method 5. Check for updates. If you are using the Crunchyroll Microsoft Store app, ensure you're using the latest version of the app, or else it may show errors. Go to Microsoft Store. Click on the Library tab. Click on the Get Updates button. Wait till the updating process is completed. This will update all the apps, including Crunchyroll. Once done, open Crunchyroll and check. Method 6. Clear Crunchyroll watch list. Open Crunchyroll, click on the menu. Select Watch List. Click on the trash icon beside each video content. Now try to open the video you want to watch. If you again get the same error, go to the next solution. And there you have it. 6 quick solutions to resolve the Crunchyroll code MED 4005 Oops, something went wrong error. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.